Here in the Mount Vernon Pyramid, we're a STEAM innovation pyramid. You know, we have these letters in the name STEAM that mean different things: science, technology, engineering, art, math, but they're not isolated. It's a method of teaching that integrates all of these things for students, and it's a way of teaching where you give students a driving question, and they use all of their knowledge and research in all of these different areas to come up and answer that question.
But what you really find is the teacher role is changing from being that sage on the stage where you're the giver of knowledge to now being the guide on the side, where you kind of drop that piece of knowledge in for the students and give them just a question to go around, and it's really the student exploration of the activity and the challenge that you're putting forth in front of them.
The content is no longer being taught in isolation. When we think of just our everyday lives as adults, you know, we don't compartmentalize things and say, oh, I'm going to apply my understanding of social studies now, and now I'm going to apply my understanding of science, but it's kind of an integration of everything that we know.
And STEAM, it's so multi-step and integrated and involved that students have to go back and build their knowledge to get there. And there's 20 different ways to get to the answer of this driving question. So what's happening is students are getting intervention on things that they have yet cemented in their learning, but they're also learning new curriculum, and it's sticking more because of the way in which they have to learn.
It all has to work hand in glove. And so it doesn't mean that somebody has to be a math major, but it could be someone who's very artistic, who takes an engineering design and reconfigures it to make it something special, something new, and something innovative.
Having kids be critical thinkers and problem solvers, that really comes about when kids' quality of thinking is improved. And that's what I think the STEAM initiative and this pyramid is really geared toward.
Our particular team of 8 administrators, we work very, very well together, and that's really created this synergy for us.
It's starting with a small group of teachers and a small group of just educators who are getting really excited, and you can tell that they're really excited to take this learning and this work back into their schools.
Learning how to work with somebody, learning how to collaborate with somebody, and taking that information and being able to, you know, go forward and problem solve and, you know, create something together. You can use that in life, you know, anywhere.
It just goes naturally hand in hand, just this STEAM initiative, the engineering design process, and portrait of a graduate attributes. It just really lends itself to preparing our students to be career ready.
Yes!